Okay, guys. So as we lately learned, we talked about the velocity and we said, what's velocity again? Can someone mention it to me? Can someone tell me what's velocity again? We have two people raising their hands. Okay. We can pick Adito.
Uh, like when someone gives you the speed and the direction, this is called velocity.
Yes. So the both when we describe both speed and direction of an object, this is what we call velocity of an object. Well done. Then the change in this velocity or the change in the speed and direction, it's called acceleration. Like when the car moves a little bit faster and then the car slows down and then it moves faster again. All of these changes are called acceleration. Yes, it's accelerating. And I know most of you guys already know this because you like car racing and games. So acceleration is any change in the speed or direction of any object's motion. Okay. So we can say that it's a change in velocity. If we wanted to like get the bottom of it, it's like change in velocity. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Today we'll continue this lesson talking about the force and acceleration. You guys will understand this part really easily. And also about mass also, how mass and acceleration are also related. But first, let's watch a video, okay? As a start for the session. And then if you guys still have any questions, of course you can still ask me, okay? I will, of course, upload this link for the video so you guys can watch. Okay, guys, so we're back here again to the textbook. So what did you get from the video? Can someone tell me, please? What did you guys get from the video? You can raise your hands for this. Okay, we have Muhammad, but Muhammad, don't mention everything, okay?
Just one?
Yes, you can mention, like, what did you understand at the beginning?
Okay, I understand the definition of speed is
Yes.
how fast you are moving and how slow you are moving in the same time.
Yes, so it's
No,
like how fast or slow objects are moving. We can also
Yes.
say that it's the change in possession. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Okay, Adito, you can mention what did you understand from the video?
I understand it about the velocity.
Yes.
Velocity is the speed plus direction is velocity.
Yes, it's speed and direction together. Well done. Thank you so much. Okay, we have Abdurrahman Karim also. Abdurrahman, did you want to say something?
Yes,
Yes.
I understand what do the word acceleration mean?
Okay.
It means the change in velocity.
Velocity, yes. But we can say it's also a change in something else. Iyad Adil, do we have Iyad Adil with us today?
Yes.
Yes, Iyad. Iyad Adil.
Yes.
Yes, Iyad. So would you tell us what did you also understand from the video? We mentioned, Abdurrahman, I'm sorry, Abdurrahman mentioned that acceleration is a change in velocity. Do we have another definition for acceleration?
The speed.
Yes, Iyad.
The speed biology.
I can't hear you, sweetie. Can you get closer to the mic?
The speed biology.
The speed what?
Biology.
I really can't understand what you're saying. Abdurrahman just mentioned that acceleration is a change in velocity. So what do you think acceleration could also be? Like, we have another definition.
I think
What?
Yes, I know.
What did Iyad said? I can't hear him well. Iyad, try to fix your mic, please, because I'm going to ask you again. Okay, who else would like to mention what is the other definition of acceleration?
Miss, can I?
Muhammad, you already answered before. Adito also answered before. We need people that didn't answer before. Where are the girls? Where are the girls' power today?
I'm
Voice
here.
is really
Yes,
Voice
but I
power
can
on.
see hands. Yes, I can see your hands raised, guys. Where are the girls?
I'm here.
Okay, we have Reem. Yes, Juman, I know you're
The
here.
girls are here.
Reem,
uh,
yes. Can you tell me what is the other definition of acceleration? Abdurrahman said it's the change in velocity. What else?
the change in the speed or direction.
Well done. Yes, it's the change in speed and direction or in direction too. Thank you so much, sweetie. Yes,
Distance.
guys, I want to hear girls today. Okay? Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Yes, you know who runs the world? It's girls. Okay? So you
No,
have to.
I swear it's boys.
Yes. No, it's a really famous song.
We made
All the
boys
girls know
exist.
them. Yes.
95%
Boys
work
exist. We
of
made
the whole,
boys exist.
of the whole world.
Yes, it's a big
And
song.
only
You guys know it.
5%
Who
women.
runs the world? Girls? Yes, girls
No.
run the world. So I want to
Boys.
hear your voices today, girls. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And boys too. So it's a
Yes.
big competition. Yes. Okay. So till now, you guys, alhamdulillah, understand most of the lesson. Do you guys need me to stop or repeat something?
No, thank you.
Everyone
No.
else? We have 21 people in the meeting. Anyone else? Malak, Farah, Basil, Hamza, Yed, Joyda, Jana, Layan, Leila. You guys understand what's going on? Yusuf.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, now I want you guys to look at this picture really well. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we have here at the top picture here, we have these athletes are pushing the sled. This is called sled. You guys know it.
Yes.
And it accelerates
They
and
use it with snow.
changes its speed
Yeah.
and yes, changes its speed and direction, stuff like that. Now we have on the other picture 4 athletes. Can you see them?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and they still are
Yes.
pushing sled too, but with more force. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want you to tell me which picture contains or has more force. The picture with 2 people or the picture with 4 people? Okay, we have people
2.
raising their hands.
4.
How? 4.
Yes,
The
Rukmini? Yes.
easiest question ever.
It's
4
the easiest
people.
question. Yes, it's gonna be 4. Yes, because 4 people are gonna push this sled with more force, right?
Yes.
Yes. So force with acceleration. First, what do we mean by force? Force is pushing or pulls of
Pulling.
all kinds. Okay, now let's get to have like wait for me. Yes, this one here. Let's start with the first slide. Let's first understand what is force. What do we mean by force? Okay, so you guys can see here, these are 2 magnets. Okay, North Pole, South Pole. Remember magnets, guys, from chapter 15?
Yeah.
Yes.
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 So now we have 2 magnets. Are those on the opposite or they are the same?
Opposite.
Same poles
opposite.
or opposite?
Opposite.
Yes. Opposite.
Opposite.
So what's gonna happen now once I get them closer? Will they
It's gonna
attract or repel? They
Attract.
will
Attract.
attract. Yes.
Attract.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now we will
yes.
change the poles. We'll make them the same poles. What's gonna happen once we change them?
They
They're gonna
repel.
repel. Yes, they're gonna repel. Okay. So we can say that what happened in this picture now, it's like those were pulled together and then they pushed each other away, right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is what we mean actually by push and pull. All forces involve interaction with objects. Okay? Just let me
Okay.
move this a bit faster. Yes. So what's a force? It's the push and pull of any object or any kind. So for example, here we have this man with the crossbow. Can you see the crossbow?
Yeah.
Yes, and he's gonna shoot his friend. But his friend, of course, is holding a shield, so he's protected. Don't worry about this. Yes. So force, can we see force? Can we see the force? And once I play this one, Can you guys see the force?
Yes.
Yeah,
Can we
the
see
thing.
it? Can we see it? We
was
just saw
touching
the
it.
objects moving, but did we see the force?
Yes.
You saw the
Yes.
force, ya Muhammad, and how does it look like?
When he grabbed the end of the crossbow and pulled his arm to the back,
Yes.
and with force, the arrow been sent off.
Yes, that's good. But you didn't see the force. You saw the objects under the force. Yes. So force cannot be seen. We can't see force. I mean, do you know how it looks like, for example? I mean, I can see the sun. I can see the computer. I can see what else? I can see
The window.
yeah, we can see what else? We can
can
feel the
see-
air, for example. We can see it, but we can feel the air. We can see the wind moving
see
because we can
people.
see objects moving. Yes, so a force cannot be seen, but its effects are obvious. Yeah, you can see its effects, okay? Because it will cause
Okay.
things to be pushed or to increase their speed. You will see difference, even changing shape. So for example, here when he pulled the crossbow to the end, he gave it force. Now you can see that the effect of the force of pulling the crossbow to the back is that the crossbow actually moved forward, right?
Yeah.
Once he
Yes.
fired it, the force caused the arrow or the bolt to change speed, to be way fast. Yes. Now what happens once the arrow hits the shield? Can you see what happened to the shield?
Yes, it bent.
Yes. Yes, it crumbled. Yes, or bended. Yes. So it changed the shape. So all of those guys are effects of force, effects only. You don't see force, you see its effect, right? And once it hits the shield, it actually changed its direction. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes, kind of
Yeah, it's
reflected.
like
Yes,
hard.
reflected to its previous one. But here also, we have this weight. Can you see this? This is a weight, and we are going to add weights to it. Can you see this? 100 grams?
Yes.
Yes, so we're going to add 100 grams. Okay, 200. Now they are 300, right? What's going on here?
Yes.
400. What's going on? It's getting heavier, right?
Yes.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, can you see the spring? It's stretching because of the weight.
Yes.
Yes. So we added a lot of things, or I'm sorry, a lot of weights. Like how many again? Can you guys count them with me? So
Okay.
100, 200, 300, 400,
600.
100, 600, right? Yes, 600. All of those cost weight to the string, as you guys can see. The weight here is kind of like the force now because it's actually pulling the string down, as you guys can see. As we add more and more, as you can see, guys, the force is increasing. Okay, we have another example. Can you see this girl?
Yeah.
Yes, she's
Yes.
a skater. Yes. You can see that she has two big fans on the both sides. So both fans are working on different directions, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Will
this
she
fan,
fly?
what do I mean is that this fan here, this first fan is pushing her this direction, and this one is pushing her to this direction, right?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
why he's standing still.
Yes, so it's pushing her in opposite direction. But what's happening to her? Is she moving in different directions? Like, did she move to the right or the left?
No.
No.
No, because she's now balanced. The push and the pull are actually the same now. So she's kind of standing still because she's having a balanced forces, balanced. Okay. Now what will happen if we used only one? Okay. Now let's use only one. Okay. Now she's using only one. Can you guys tell me which direction is she going to move?
The left.
Left. Back.
Left. Yes, that's right. She's gonna move to the left. Yes. She's gonna take
Do a
this.
black flip.
Yeah, she's gonna move this way, right? Because the fan is actually pushing her this way, right? The force of the air will push her to the left, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, that's right. That's totally right. Well done, guys. So the force here caused her speed to also change. I mean, if she kept moving this way, now let's imagine with this black arrow, I'm going to use a black one, okay? This black one is showing her direction. She wants to move this side, okay? She wants to move to that side. But the fan is keeping pushing her to the red one, to the other side. So what do you think will happen to her speed? Will she be fast or slow?
Slow.
Yes?
Slow.
Miss, can you repeat?
Again, you guys know the fan here is pushing her to the left, which is the red arrow in here, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
the girl wants to move to the right, like the black arrow here. What is the force going to cause her speed? How the force of the fan or the force of the wind is going to affect her speed? Like, will she be able to move fast or slow?
Slow.
Slow.
No,
Because
yes, because the
gravity-
force is pushing her to the other side. She will be moving really slow, slower than she wants. Okay?
Okay.
Off.
Okay.
So force is really strong because it affects everything. So let's check here. Let me get to this one here. Wait, just give me 1 minute. We need something to, yes, I think we're going to get to the textbook first. Okay, so the forces here, guys, means pushes and pulls of all kinds, okay? And we measure force in Newton. Do you know who's Newton?
Yes, the guy
Yeah.
with gravity.
Yes,
Who
the man with
invented
the apple.
gravity?
Who found
The
gravity?
one that discovered gravity.
He
Yes.
Lord of
His name is
Newton.
Isaac Newton. Yes, his name is
Isaac
Isaac
He
Newton.
Lord of
This man sitting under the tree. Let
the
me show
apple
it to you. Yes, this man sitting under the tree. Let's get this one here. Yeah, this man sitting under the tree is actually Isaac Newton. And he realized or he discovered one of the best things or the most important things, which is why things fall downwards and not upwards. Guys, if you're not using your mic, please mute yourselves. Okay, so he discovered this by apples. You guys already know the story, right? The apples fell on his head, so he was wondering why things moving downwards. And from then he actually discovered gravity. And
Gravity.
with gravity, he also discovered forces, and that's why the forces. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, the forces. The force is measured by Newton. Like, for example, distance. We measure distance with meters, right? We say 3 meters or kilometers, right? We measure distance with kilometers and meters and centimeters, right?
Yeah.
Yes. We measure your mass with kilograms, right? We say like 100 kilograms
Or
or
pounds.
3 kilograms or pounds. Yes. But we measure forces with Newton. We measure it with
Newton.
Newton, yes. Back to the name of the great Isaac Newton. Okay. Some people are raising their hands. Okay, we have Muhammad, Adito, and Diad Adil. You guys are raising your hands. Do you need something?
No.
Yes, Iyad Adil, do you need something?
No, I don't. I want to answer.
Okay, you want to answer? Okay. I will have a question for you. Okay, guys, now it says if a soccer ball, do you know the soccer ball?
Yes.
Okay, this soccer ball is still, it's not moving. It stays still until a force moves it, right? The soccer or the ball will keep on standing. It's not gonna move until we push it with our with the players' feet. Yes?
Because it moves by air.
Yes.
Or someone shoots
Can you just answer it?
with a lot of force.
Yes, someone push it. Push it. Yes, well done. Yes, that's right. Yes.
I see.
Okay, guys. So again, forces are really important as they can increase or decrease the acceleration. We can say that forces cause acceleration. Forces cause acceleration.
Acceleration.
Like here, you can see these two athletes or two groups of athletes. Two people, two athletes, and four. Which one will be faster? Which one will cause a bigger change? The four people or the full athletes or the two?
Four.
Yes, the four will cause more change. They will cause the sled to actually move way faster than the two athletes. That's right. So
How
forces,
will they put this?
yes, forces
forces.
cause acceleration. Okay? Force
Okay.
is really related to acceleration. Without it, there will be no acceleration. There will be no change in speed or direction. Okay, do you guys understand this till now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now we have another example. Now this man or woman, I really can't see her face because she's not showing anything. She has how many wolves carrying her sled?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four.
I think there are 6. 1,
Six.
No, 4.
2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, I think.
Someone is hiding. Someone is hiding.
Yes, there is one behind this dog and
Six,
I'm sorry, this wolf, and there's another one here. So I think there are 6
Six dogs.
dogs.
Yeah, 6.
I'm sorry, 6 dogs, or I think they are dogs, not wolves. Okay, it's like
They're
husky dogs,
husky.
right? Those are husky.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look
Yeah.
like wolves. They're so cute. This one's like as if he's smiling, right? This one here.
Yes.
Okay, now
And the
she's
other
she's
one on the
having
back.
yeah. Now she's having 6 huskies pulling her sled, while this tiny little girl is having 1 husky, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Which one will have more acceleration? Which one will have more acceleration?
The
upper
girl,
one.
or man. The one.
Yes, the one with 6 dogs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
the one with 6 dogs will have more force. It will have more force, and that's why it will have also more acceleration, right? Because now she's
Yes.
being pulled harder because she's having 6 dogs, which is like that's too fast, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So forces again, okay, guys. So forces again cause acceleration to happen. So if I asked you, Iyad, this question down there, Iyad Adil, you wanted to answer a question, Iyad?
Okay.
Okay, Iyad, can you take off these? Yes, thank you so much. So it says, what causes the speed or direction of objects to change? What causes the speed and direction of objects to change? It's only one word.
Option.
Force.
Who answered?
No.
I'm asking Iyad Adil. Yes, Iyad Adil.
Option.
Iyad, I can't really hear you. Yani, can you raise your voice or get closer to the mic, please?
I can.
You can understand the question? Do you want me to repeat it for you?
No.
Okay, it says, what causes the speed and direction, yani what causes the velocity of objects to change? It's only one word. The answer will be one
I
word.
know. I know. Option.
Guys, I'm asking Iyad Adil. Give him time.
Option.
Yes, Iyad.
Option.
The what, Habibi? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear what you're saying, Iyad. Can you send it by chat, please?
It's easy. Very easy. We use the closing.
Iyad, could you send it to me, please? Because I can't hear your answer.
This
Okay.
here saying option.
Option?
Or object.
No.
Object?
No.
Okay, what's the answer, Iyad? What causes the speed and direction to change? Like here in the picture, yeah, Iyad, in this picture, what caused this woman, this old woman, to be way faster than this little girl? هو ايه اصلا الكلمة دي يا اياد؟ What is this word اصلا؟ I really
I
can't
can't.
understand.
I don't know how to write it.
You don't know
Can I
what?
answer?
It's, do you mean velocity, Ed?
Yes.
Yes, no, but this is not the answer. The question is,
Can I
what
answer?
causes the velocity to change? Yani, what causes this woman, the one with 6 dogs, to be way faster than the girl with 1 dog?
The speed.
The what? What do you guys think? We only want one word.
Can I answer? Force. Force.
Malak?
Right.
Malak?
Force.
Force. Force.
Yes,
I said
it's
it
gonna
first.
be force.
I said
Yes.
it first.
Yes, force is the one that causes the speed and the direction to change, Ayed.
Miss,
Okay?
I said it before Iyad even answered.
Yes, I
I
know.
said it
I
before
heard someone
Muhammad.
saying Ed, but
I
I
don't
wanted
think-
Iyad Adil to
Yes,
answer
me.
this one.
It
Iyad,
is
I
me.
want you next time to focus with us, please. Okay? Starting from the beginning of the session. Because we've been
Why
talking about this for a really long time now, and your friends already knew the answer. Okay? And it's called velocity, and I have shown the word for you like a lot of times, velocity here, and we've been mentioning it since the last session. Okay? So what causes the change in speed and direction again? What causes the change in speed in this woman's? She has a lot of dogs. Like she has 6 dogs now, and all these 6 dogs are using their forces to move her, right? So the force is the one that causes her speed to change. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Iyad?
Okay.
Okay, I hope you really get this one. Not okay only. I hope you really get it. Okay? You can check the sessions if you want many times, as many times as you want, so you can understand more and more. Okay? It's like for everyone. Okay, guys, I will take your names now. And unfortunately, we have less than a minute. So do you have any questions before leaving?
No.
I want you guys to be ready tomorrow because we'll have some questions. We'll do some questions tomorrow. Okay? I hope you will be ready for it.
Miss, on the same lesson?
Yes, on the
lesson
same
2?
lesson. Yes, on the same lesson. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, see you guys. Bye.
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 Bye.